He really attacked the arm.
Harvey!
He's getting his head back and he knows he can't stay on the I'm made it again and then I'll beat again and then I'll take you. Fuck what I thought for him.
Harvey. Bit funny, is it, Harvey?
You didn't get out, did you? Did you get today as good as the last year?
We'll get him to sit up and then do it.
No, I'll do it again after. Good boy.